to the native of Germany and banged ahead past the Czech Republic's representative Krejci, and a collision and a centering pass across to Lucic. He scores! Lucic at 13-11 of the first has the first goal of the series.
Eddie, how about Krejci taking a hit to make a play? A huge hit from Hjalmarsson, but Krejci takes the hit.
Chara forced it further. Taves trying to settle it down, but it's nice spike of the puck away from Horton by Hjalmarsson. Lucic tries to work ahead. Stepping back in is Krejci. Drifting. Lucic a shot. He scores! The second goal of the game, and the second goal of the game for Lucic. Saad trying to work his way by. The rookie is canceled out by the veteran in Seidenberg. Floated into traffic, and Hose able to dance by. Got it to Saad. He scores! Around it comes now for Jagr. Wanted to play further, but it's interrupted by Leddy not once, but then Keith. And thrown on across. It's Seguin across. Oh, what a shot! And a goal that's recorded for the Bruins by Bergeron. 3-1.
And Eddie, a different set for the Bruins. 4-4 where Jaromir Jagr was playing the point.
It's easy to, I guess, for us to ask the question, but why isn't it done more often? Here's Shaw ahead with it. Shaw, Bedwin, bullet, scores! It's all the way over near the blue line now, but no harm as Kruger can advance. Kruger drops it off. Frolik takes it there. Challenged by Thornton. Puck squirts loose. Taken on by Kruger. Given onto the back. Oduya shot. A 2-on-1 is developing here. Krejci carries it in. Drops it up back for a shot. Saved by Crawford. Rebound. Oh, and tried to play it in front. Unable to get it along. And another try by Chara. Oh, and that blocked down by Hossa. Shake it up a bit, but he's still back in the play. What sacrifice here in OT. Bergeron fired it back in. Lucic protected for Seguin. Gave it back now for Lucic. Tries for Jagr. Kicked on to Seguin. Points it back to Chara. Walks it across. He's got Bergeron. Shakes it on over to Seguin. Now Chara shot. Hit the post. Rebound is battled around behind by Lucic. On now for another shot. Closed off by Crawford without a hockey stick. Duncan Keith there. Checked off by Kelly. Then it's Shaw. More banging in the boards, and it's squibbed on back to Roosevelt. Roosevelt a shot. Score!